In today's feature demo, we're going to be looking at floor plans. Floor plans are basically a visual representation of your business. So depending on the number of levels you have in your facility, you would have the corresponding number of floor plans. Now, to create a new floor plan, first we go up to the Add New Floor Plan button and click the plus. This will prompt us to name our floor plan. You can call this ground or level 1 or whatever it is that works for your facility. Now from here, you can see that once we create a new floor plan, it takes us into the floor plan details. Here we can rename it if we'd like, or we could add a reference image, or we can begin drawing. You have a number of tools up here used for when drawing. So we could either draw, we can type, or you can select and edit. Now, to get started with our project, I'm going to upload a reference image. Reference images can just be of floor plans that you already have, and they can be used to assist you in drawing. The reference images don't actually appear on the end result, so they do need to be traced. Now, to find your correct scale, you can start drawing. See that, perhaps this building is actually only 10 meters wide. We can go to around the 10 meter mark and click. We can just rough it out for now. And then we can go over to this reference image size and we can scale it down. So we find out that, roughly around there is 10 meters. We can now delete this, go back to the drawing tool, and we can start tracing. If you hold down Shift while drawing, it will snap your line to 90-degree angles. As you can see, I'll go ahead and do this for the rest of the map. Now that we have finished drawing our floor plan, you could either choose to move on to the next step and start adding your pins, or you could customize. Now, you have a choice while drawing to either change your drawing color. So you could make it green, change the border color, you might make it a gray. You can make the border much thicker. Now, when you draw, this is what you'll have. Or, if you've already drawn your map and you'd like to go in and edit it, you can click the select and edit, click on the object you just drew, and you can edit it from here. So if you were to make it green, this one purple, and so on and so forth. You may choose to color code your different sections or whatever you'd like. Now, text, this is just a visual representation. You may choose to go through and name each of the locations, but this could also be handled just with your pins. You may choose to write something like food court, if that's relevant to your business. Or sections. These will just scale with the map and cannot be navigated to. They're purely for visual representation. If your business has multiple levels, you may now choose to go back and create additional floor plans. From here we can click Add New Floor Plan. We'll keep it with the name Level 2 and click Save. Now once again, I can add a reference image. And to keep the sizing consistent, I can just scale this to the same. And I can begin drawing. Now that we've finished level 2, We can continue on to whether we're creating new floor plans or adding more pins. You may have noticed that throughout the process I was moving the map around. If you find yourself zoomed in and you want to move across, if you're using a mouse, you can press down the middle mouse button and drag around. If not, you can click the pan button in the bottom right, which will then allow you to left click and drag around. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I'll see you all in the next one.